Hey YouTube, what's going on? So a little bit progress up here. Little progress. We're almost ready to take this beast out. I had to change the throttle servo horn. It was stripped. I guess the heat from this exhaust melted it, so I just double wrapped it right there, put a different one on there. Ended up getting the 90s, so I was able to push the narrow tube through there. I had to change the fuel filter because the other one was too large to fit, but it all worked out. Changed the pulse line as well, put a little narrower one, get more pressure in there, positive, without any, I guess, I don't know how you should say it, but the thicker hose, it has a lot more flex to it, a lot more give. So this hose is a lot tighter, and it is exactly what I need. Put a 90 down there as well. Coming up here, I actually have a 90 for this. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be here today. Come later on today, I'll be here. So I'll probably swap that out and put a 90 on it as well. So got it fired up, fires up much better. Everything just seems to be much more responsive on the tune. So should work no problem. Also got a new receiver. ELRS Radio Master. So I will be binding this, throwing it on there, getting that done. Also did pick up the printer, so I'll be printing out some fenders for this and try to get something where it'll work with this exhaust. I know that the muffler is bigger than the actual pipe, so it'll have a little extra space around there, and especially with this, so I have to work on that to get that all to work. But at least I can get the progress started, and then eventually probably 3D print something to just secure everything. Maybe a way to mount the fuel filter and this pump. Try to just make. It's gonna be a whole different brain I'm operating with the 3D printer. You know, it's the engineering brain. So starting with the fenders, and then we'll go from there. So hopefully in the next 24, 48 hours, I'll have an update and get this thing fired up. And one thing about the fenders I really want to see is if I could run this in the rain with those fenders on it without it shorting out my coil or getting everything wet where it shorts out the motor. So that's one of the biggest reasons I want to put the fenders on there.